Hello, welcome back to Rob's Homemade, and today we're back on and exploring the abandoned railway. I think this is number 5 of the series so far. We left it just about here. We am getting so close to my workplace. I didn't realise coming this way would take me. I'm in sort of the Neverton area. Just explored the old abandoned control tower, signal room, whatever you want to call it. This bridge here is one I walk across the top of it every morning on my way to work. There's lots and lots of busy roads. It's Sunday, the sun's trying to break through. It's a little windy, it's not great, but it's never going to stop me getting out. I've even said to myself lately, even if it's raining, I'm going out. I don't care. I'm not going to stop doing these explores, especially this railway. I don't know how far or how long I'm going to have to go before it comes to an end. But we found, like I said, the signal box, the signal room, more graffiti, which is typical around here. Some of it, we've been down this debate before, but some of it is art, and I do feel sorry for these people who haven't got canvas to work on. But some of it, tags and crap, yeah, it's graffiti, it's horrible. But some of these spray painters have got some talent when it comes to painting and drawing. And we're just going to carry on as we are. Like I say, these bridges, especially that one right there, I walk across every day. I'm heading towards another tunnel. It's nice to get out in the fresh air. I'm stuck indoors all day. I've said a million times before, and I'll never change my opinion on it. I go to work Monday to Friday, 8:30 till 4:30, sometimes more hours, sometimes work a Saturday. Sunday is the day I get to do what I want to do, and hopefully someday soon I will be able. I mean, look at some of this. I am going to stop and look at these because they are good. They're really, really good. The detail of the painting is fantastic. John would love these. I know them tags, and it is technically graffiti, but yeah, really, really colourful, really good. It's something you could get somebody to print on a board, stick it in your room, stick it in your living room, something. I mean, this video's turned into a graffiti video, but look at the detail on that. That is epic. So I'm coming out the other side. It's just the colours, the expression they use, amazing. Out the other side, like I said, the sun's trying to burst through. Factories on the left, some houses maybe on the right. I'm always on the lookout while walking to see if there's any abandoned places, somewhere you can get in. Security camera up there, but it's easy access to this. I'm not trespassing. Road over that side. It's just nice to walk and get somewhere. And it's a bright, bright, sunshiny day. I'll stop singing. My singing's never been that great. I have sung on a couple of other videos, which I didn't really get slated for, but we shall see. ADT, it's just growth, stuff everywhere. Christine's in Action building. There's a lot of factories, warehouses. That's why it's nice to come down here on a Sunday, because you know 90% and 99%, I'd say, these factories are closed, so you're never going to get any aggro. But yeah, some tree stuff. these are places like this which I could come, do some hot sauce reviews, just sit and chill out and have a look round. Just take 5, relax. But yeah, like I said, beautiful sunny day, absolutely lovely to get out, walk about, some fresh air in your lungs instead of sitting, breathing in. There's not much to see around in this park, unfortunately, you guys, so we're gonna have a quick look about, see if there's anywhere you can get through, maybe get back out onto the road and continue this at a later date. We've been going 5 minutes. I'm going to continue to walk, trying to find entrances or buildings that possibly chance to explore. You can see where the railway tracks used to run. There's still got some of the sleepers down. A lot of them have gone. There is still some. Take a little cut off. Head over here a little. See what's down, just fencing up to the factories. These are put here so you can't break in, and that's a good thing. If somewhere's open and easily accessible, I'll be going in. If it's not, then I won't, because it's just not meant to be. Not meant to be at all. But I have no idea how far you can walk along here and find out where you end up. Like I said, I'm pretty sure now I'm round about Pear Tree Lane, Narrowboat Way, if anyone knows. I'm in Neverton Way, and I'm heading towards, basically I think it's Merry Hill, the big massive shopping centre. Quick look down. These factories are more in use. Obviously not on a Sunday. Most people don't work Sundays, including me. It has been known to work Sundays before now, but not at the moment. Sunday is a day of rest, relaxation, and just getting out. While in the UK we have got this weather, because this weather in the UK doesn't last very long at all. It's very rare you'll get in this day and age. We used to, back in the 70s and 80s when I was born, long hot summers. You was off 6 weeks of school and you could guarantee sunshine every day. Every day was a sunny day, guaranteed. Where now you can't guarantee nothing. We have hotter days in September than we do in July and August, which is crazy. But that's just the way it works at the moment. If people believe in climate change and all that stuff, there's a factory here on the right. You can just make out through the trees. I think you could probably get access to. It's just a walkway. Hey, everything's worth a look. Some bent over fencing further down here. I think when we get to this fencing down here, we're going to cut this one and go. We'll see where we end up here, because it looks like a dead end to me. Have we come to the end of the line? Maybe, maybe not. See the skyline, which I'm heading. Like I said, Merry Hill Centre's got to be close to here. Fields, mountains, I say mountains, fields and hills. So look, here we are. This is completely bricked. off. Oh, you look there. So I have to do a bit of a climb to carry on. Down the side of there, I'm heading towards a canal. So they've literally blocked this off. That's how far we have walked. They've literally blocked this part off with a sumps, but you can continue. Metal railings. I'm going to walk over the other side just to see what's off. That's actually got the canal. Down that side here, the canal is there, so you could get onto the canal there. That is there. A quick jump down, go over to this side, see what we can see. Big hole out. Factory down that side of the hill. You can see the canal a bit clearer on this side. So when we come back, guys, next episode, which will be, I think, number 6, I'm sure this is number 5, we will continue our path along the railway and see how far and where we end up. So just want to say once again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy these explore videos, the abandoned railway, the buildings I've been in so far. Hope you've all enjoyed them. So thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will be back very, very soon. Peace.